How to delete incognito browser history on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on New Incognito tab. After you have opened New Incognito tab, simply search Chrome as shown on screen. Then it will lead you to this page. At the left side, click on DNS, which is the third option. And on the right side, you will find Clear Host Cache. Simply click on Clear Host Cache and all your incognito browser history will be deleted. This is how to delete incognito browser history on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.